Hello and welcome in this small tutorial about the interpreting item type. When you open an interpreting item type, you can add your title in the breadcrumbs. Afterwards, you are always able to add an instruction in the text block. After you've added your instruction and you click in the interaction block, on the right side you'll be able to upload your source file. You can upload a source file from up to 1 GB. Right now we'll take a closer look into the simultaneous interpreting exercise type. You can decide whether to record a webcam or not, to start the recording automatically or not, to show the play button to the participants in advance, or you can also limit the number of attempts, like you see right here. If you open the preview mode, you can see that a simultaneous recording is pretty easy. The participants can start the recording themselves with the settings I selected. They can stop the recording and afterwards it's being uploaded. The consecutive item is a little bit more complex. We have a main setting which is let the participant mark segments or predefine the segments yourself as a back-office user. When you predefine the segments, you can select in the source file a place and afterwards select the green button mark segment. So these are the markers and this is a place where the recording will start. You can select the other settings as well. You can add, for example, a delay for an automatic recording and not show the play button. If you preview this item right now, then you'll see that the source file will start automatically, and when the participant hits a marker, then the recording will also start automatically, in this case with a delay of about 2 seconds to 1, 0, and right now the recording or the voice of the candidate is being recorded. They can select continue playback themselves, so they can start the source file again themselves. After the segments they can upload their recording. Right now I'll show you the second main setting is let the participant mark segments. I will not change anything to the other settings, I will just show you the preview. If you go to the preview, you can see the candidate can start a new attempt and the candidate can select start recording whenever they want. Right now they are recording their interpretation and they can go further as they like. At the end, when they have selected a couple of segments, they can finish the attempt and then their recording is being uploaded. That's about it. If you need any more information, please go to our support.televeceducation.com and we are glad to help you further.